Introduction. The northern Iraqi thrust zone and foothill zone, where the three studied sections of the present study, Dor, Lefan, and Sinjar, are located, is considered as a good place of mineralization of many ore deposits, especially the lead, zinc, and iron sulfides. This is because the structural, tectonic, and lithologic factors made essentially the highly fractured dolomitized limestones act as host rocks for this mineralization. Few detailed studies have been published which deal with the ore deposit mineralization in the area. First, Al-Bassam et al. Mentioned and studied the presence of lead and zinc sulfides. Then, other studies have been accomplished, but the more recent detailed geochemical investigation and exploration were carried out by Awad and Shingali. The present lecture deals with the mineralization of sulfides in the above-mentioned three sections. It is worth to mention that this mineralization in Sinjar area is given for first time in such geochemical point of view. The work is a part of PhD research performed at Mosul University by the second author. The geochemical prospect of this work aims first to document the presence of the mineralization of the sulfide ore deposits in northern Iraq, and second to elucidate their paragenesis, their source, and the processes responsible for their occurrence through the analysis of data obtained by the techniques of X-ray diffraction, XRD, electron microprobe analysis, EMPA, fluid inclusions, and stable isotopes of 13C, 18O, and 34S. Geology. The area of study had been influenced by alpine orogeny that affected strongly the northern part of Iraq. During the time from Permian to mid-Cretaceous, the northern to eastern parts of the Arabian Plate were subsiding gradually and bordering the Neo-Tethys Ocean. The northern thrust zone on the Iraqi territories is formed to be as a developed ridge at the Arabian Plate throughout the Zagros suture formed within the domain of the Neo-Tethys. During the movement of the Arabian Plate and Tethys development, the mineralization of ore deposits occurred in the area as documented by Al-Bassam et al., and later on by others as, for example, Awad. The host carbonate rocks of the ore deposits are represented mostly by fractures and karstified dolomitized limestones of Kamchuga and Murgi formations, Middle Cretaceous, Beckham Formation, Upper Campanian, Marley limestone of Sheenish Formation, Upper Campanian Maastrichtian, and Kurachine Formation, Upper Triassic. The general geology and locations of the three studied sections, Dor, Lefan, and Sinjar, are illustrated in Figure 1. Geology and locations of the studied sections, after Jassim and Goff.